Here's an app reports for followers for Instagram. There are a bunch of apps in this category. They're all competing with each other, but there are all unique features in each app. So this app is just being built by Youmai Technology, probably some Chinese app, whatever. And then how it works, you just log in with your Instagram, and then you can see some advanced analytics, insights, statistics, which otherwise are just not available if you're using all Instagram analytics. So yeah, here you can see your profile, viewers, story interactions, who blocked you, who unblocked you, new followers, lost followers, who admires you, I don't know what that it means, who untagged you, new story viewers, tracked stories, deleted comments and likes, mutual followers, who you don't follow back. So all of this like hidden metrics which you can see. It just takes time here, so you need to wait. And also recently Instagram made it harder for all these third-party apps to access your account. If you try to connect these multiple apps, it just starts bugging, as you can see here. And then then you just see all these story insights, engagement, your best followers, your audience analysis, your media insights. Then you can see your account. You can add multiple accounts, you can enable notifications, and of course, then if you want, you can upgrade for $6 per month, or you can just upgrade for 12 months, yearly subscription, $24 per year. This is one of the on the cheaper side. Usually these apps start from around like $30 per year, but of course the price just depends. And so this is the idea how it can work here. So hope this can be helpful.